What's up, guys? It's your boy Carlito's Way World TV. I got a video for you guys, unboxing, unbagging video. I got some new shit that just came in today. I got a thing of I got some more Lotas gear. So I've been waiting for a few months now, but you know how that goes. We already know when you order some Warren Lotas items, you know you gotta wait for a little bit. So most of the items, there's some stuff that it's already pre-made and already ready to get sent. So, but this one in particular was a few months. So it's good to see what we got here, right? All right, guys, here's the item. It's a hoodie. So we're gonna open this shit right now. So let me get some scissors. All right, guys, so I have no scissors. Well, I do, but too lazy to grab some, so I'm gonna use this part of the tape I have here. So this part, so let's do it. There's this joint right here. Okay, so I got that open. See what we got here. Okay. So we got that Warren Lotas gear right here. So just got this in the mail today. Calm before the storm. The calm before the storm. Before the storm. The calm before the storm. Right here. What we got here? Calm before the storm. Tie-dye hoodie. Large. And I guess we got a little gifty gift here right here. And I guess we have a little gift here or envelope. Or I think it's a little comic. I think. So let's see what happens. So let's open this part here. Open that. All right. Let's open the little envelope. Pretty cool. See what we got here. Wow. So this is the cards that come with the hoodie. I think each product have a different each item of this calm before the storm line had different cards with quotes and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Keep that. So let's go to the main thing right here. Oh, because that's part of the tie-dye. So let's see what happens. Nice. So what we got. My size. The calm before the storm. The calm before the storm. And the hell that comes after. Right below there. Pretty cool. Let's try it on. All right, guys, I have my hoodie on. My Warren Lotas. So yeah. Let's check the back. Yeah, I like it. And I have a whole bunch of Warren Lotas products. This is probably like my fifth one. I think so far I have three hoodies, about like 4 or 5 shirts. So I do wear my shit. Just a couple tees that I haven't worn in public, and one of the hoodies I have not worn in public, but all the other things I have. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I like the color. I think I seen the brown joint. I should have copped the brown joint. But yeah, this is it, man. So this is a quick on bagging. Got the Warren Lotas right here. Not sure if I got the back of my shirt, hoodie, but we'll play this back and see what we got.